guys, I just read a compelling article about building accessible UIs for selfish reasons. And honestly, it caught me off guard. Building accessible UIs is supposed to be about helping other people with disabilities, right? But human nature turns out to be selfish. So finding the selfish reasons for why to build accessible UIs will probably get more developers to do it. So maybe not a bad thing after all. When you actually build websites and apps that are accessible, you're not just helping people with disabilities, you're actually making your life as a developer way easier, which is kind of genius. So what are the reasons? Well, let's begin with number one, which is better SEO. Screen readers and search engines both love semantic HTML elements and clear structures. So when you use semantic headings, alt text, and proper headings, Google ranks you higher. Let's be honest, that's just good for business. Second is just fewer bugs. Have you seen the div soups that are out there? I understand it, it's easier. Divs are very versatile, you could use them for anything and everything. So instead of figuring out which element should I use here, you just go with divs and you make it work. But it comes at a cost. When you're forced to think about screen readers and keyword navigations, you catch bugs that would have broken your app later anyway. And you can make test cases that won't break based on the ARIA labels instead of programmatically made classes or things that will change to your code as things change. Third is that mobile users love you. Have you tried navigating through a mobile website that doesn't have focus or very tiny buttons? It's not fun. Accessible features just help everybody in general. Larger touch targets, clear focus indicators, yes please. And number four, which is the one that most people try to avoid and why they do it, is avoiding lawsuits. Companies get sued for inaccessible websites all the time. Building right from the start as opposed to changing it later is just way easier. I know, I'm having to rebuild a whole project just because I ignore completely accessibility. But here's what really got me thinking about accessibility not just being something you tack on at the end. When you're building with accessibility in mind from the beginning, you're building better software for everybody, which makes you a better software developer. And honestly, as someone taking on the journey of becoming a software developer, if there's a cheat code to make you a better software developer, building better software for everyone, why not just do it? Sounds like a superpower to me. While other developers are thinking about accessibility as an afterthought, you can be thinking about accessibility from the beginning, which gives you a competitive advantage. So maybe being a little selfish is not wrong if it actually helps build better software from the beginning. Are you thinking about accessibility from the beginning in your projects? I know I wasn't, but I'm gonna begin now. Let me know in the comments.